Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start one new playlist, that is the Linux. And in this video I will explain what is Linux exactly. So let's start. One thing, do you use Android mobile? If you are using a Android mobile, then you already using a Linux, we can say. You don't know you are using a Linux, but actually if you are using a Android means you are using a Linux, we can say. So before going into the Linux part, let's understand what is the OS. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's understand what is the OS. OS stands for operating system, right? OS stands for operating system. So OS is like a middleman, we can say. It is like a middleman between user and between user and the computer. OS is like this is the OS. Okay. This is the OS. OS is like a middleman between the user and your computer. For example, when you are clicking something in the system means OS tells the hardware what to do. If you are clicking something means OS will instruct what you actually want to do. It is going to instruct the hardware, right? So that thing we can call it as an OS. Without OS, your computer is just like a box or a dead body. We must need a OS, right? So actually OS is like a middleman between you and your computer, and it is going to instruct the computer or your hardware what to do. When you're clicking something means it is going to instruct your hardware. That thing we can call as an OS. So let's understand what is the Linux. So Linux is also a operating system just like your Windows, but special thing is like a open source. Open source means anything you can see the code and modify it and use it for free. That thing we can call as an open source. Open source means the something the code is visible to you and you can see that code and you can modify that code. So that thing we can call as an open source. The Linux is like a operating system just like a Windows, and it is the open source we can call it. So let's see what is there in the next slide. What is Linux, right? Linux is the open source operating system. Okay, before going into the feature, I will tell you one thing why Linux is used in most of the companies. Why Linux is popular? Because why companies using means it is actually a free. The source code is free and there is no license or the cost, and it is a secure, we can say. It is a secure one and it is the fastest one and mostly used in the servers also, and it is very fast compared to the Windows also. So why companies are using means it is the free and it is the secure and it is very fast compared to the other operating systems. So that's why the most companies using the Linux server. Where the Linux is used means in the servers also, in the cloud also, and in the supercomputers. Everywhere the Linux is mostly used today in the nowadays. And you are in Android phone also we are using the Linux. So you know Windows. I hope you guys are know the Windows, right? Compared to the Windows, it is comparing with the Linux and Windows means the Linux is free and it is a secure compared to the Windows, and Linux is the fastest one. So this is the thing, and the features of Linux means it is the open source, right? Source code is freely available, right? You can see and modify it, and multiple users can use at the same time, and it is a multitasking. You can do the so many tasks at a time, and it is a high secure, and it is a stable and reliable, and it is a portable, and it is a command line. So these are the features of the Linux. If you need, I will explain individual features in the upcoming videos. So if you need that video, let me know in the comment. So yeah, and these are the Linux distribution: Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, and the Debian and the Kali Linux. These are the distributions of the Linux. We are not going in deep, so what all the things are. So if you guys need a in-deep video of the features of Linux and the distribution of Linux, let me know in the comments. We will make a one more video. If I start explaining this in this video, it will be a lengthy video, right? So yeah, we understand what is the OS, we understand what is the Linux, and we understand why the companies using Linux and the features of Linux, right? So yeah, these are the things we saw in this video. So yeah, see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. I will try to clarify your doubts. So it will be in upcoming days, it will be a more interesting parts are coming, so stay connected with me. See you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.